The model that was introduced in the workshop sort of give me a very new perspective of doing career coaching, that I felt that if I could have attended your workshop earlier, right, I'll be a lot more effective, able to ensure that some of the conversation is a lot more energizing and a lot more looking forward.
After the session, I think it's really the whole coaching framework, the framework itself, I think it's really good.
Because the workshop itself, not just that I learned from good content that you brought in, but also the way that you facilitate that learning of participants in the workshops, right? I have take away a new perspective, right, of different managers that have done coaching in different work environment and different contexts.
It was intense, with all the discussion and some of the role plays, but it's really fruitful. I would say the whole session was really fruitful, and I think the techniques, the models are really useful for our use. Yeah.